Hey guys, so it's summer and that means it's time for summer parties. Now for your next big event, your guests will not be able to resist this delicious ice cream cake that uses only a few ingredients and may just be the easiest thing you've ever made. Now it's one of my personal favorites to make and to eat, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to make it. Okay, so first you're going to need some sort of loaf or cake pan like this. You're going to line it up with some sort of aluminum foil so that it's easier for you a little bit later to remove the cake. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to need your ice cream sandwiches. You're going to unwrap each one like so. And you're going to line them up side by side and just press a little bit firmly so that they stick together. Okay, so after you've done your first layer, you're going to take the whipped topping like so, and you're going to spread a little bit and smother the entire layer with that. Alright, so I'm going to be using just a little bit of these Oreo cookie crumbs just to give it a little bit of a crunch in the middle. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top of that. Okay, we're done that. And then next we're going to take the remaining ice cream sandwiches and we're just going to unwrap each like so again. And we're going to press each one down firmly on top. And then we're just going to take the remaining whipped topping and smother it all on top like so. I'm using vanilla ice cream sandwiches, but if you want to change up the flavor, I believe you can get these in different flavors like mint and chocolate chip at your local grocery store. So feel free to use different ice cream sandwiches if you want to change up the flavor a little bit. Okay, so once you're done with the whipped topping, you can leave it as it is, or, and this is my favorite part, you can add some toppings. Now, let's say you want to change up the flavor, or let's say it's a special occasion, maybe it's someone's birthday, maybe you have a special someone coming over and you really want to impress them. Well, what you can do is you can get some candy bars, crush them up, and put them on top as a topping, or you can get some chocolate or caramel sauce and drizzle it on top, just give it that sweet kick. Now for me personally, I love chocolate and I love my Oreo cookies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just the remaining little bit of Oreo cookie crumbs and sprinkle it all on top like so. And after that, I'm going to take some of these little mini chocolate chips. You can see them right there. And I'm just going to add a little bit just to give it a little bit of a chocolate sweetness. And there you have it. Once you're done, just pop this into the freezer for about 20 minutes or until it's firm and you're ready to serve. Okay, so it's time to sample. Now, I love all the whipped topping. Here we go. Here we go. If you love whipped topping like me, you're gonna love this ice cream cake. It adds a little chocolate kick with the chocolate chips, and seriously, the whipped topping is so good. So good. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you try out this recipe at home, make sure to let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my official YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you later, and I'm gonna go get another slice. So good.